Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Chou. Welcome to this TikTok training video. In this training video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to create a viral TikTok video in less than 15 minutes. Also, if you are new to my channel, my name is Chou, aka Freedom Warrior. On this channel, I'm gonna share with you everything I do to build my six-figure business from scratch. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Let's go. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Chou. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you step by step how I make a viral TikTok in under 15 minutes. Because a lot of you guys, whether you are just starting out or you are an advanced TikTok creator, I get a lot of comments that a lot of people, they don't know how to make TikTok, and they think that it would take a lot of time, okay, to make a viral TikTok video. So I'm just gonna show you how I make my TikTok, and you can use this as example, okay? And also you can see what's my thought process and how I make my TikTok. So let's dive right in. Okay, now I'm showing my screen here. So today I'm gonna make meditation, aka good vibe video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is simply go to discover, then I'm gonna search meditation for beginners. Okay, you can go through all these videos and find the one you like, but today I'm just gonna be making this one. Okay, 5 to 8 hertz frequency, and you can see this video, it got over 300,000 views. Okay, so this is the video I'm gonna make today. The first step I always do, okay, after you find the video that you're gonna model or copy, then I'm gonna pop up a notepad on my computer. Okay, I'm gonna write down all the messages that will go with my TikTok video. So I already wrote it down before. So basically, it's pretty much very similar. I just change some wording, okay, to however I like it. And also at the end, I like to add in my own call to action, okay? So I would say your first step to prosperity will go to the link in my profile. So let's make this video. I'm gonna use the same music that this video is using. So I'm gonna click on the music. I already added to my favorite, but right now I'm just gonna be use this sound on the go. So give me a moment here. I mean, the footage is not that really important for this kind of video. Okay, so anybody can make this kind of video and make it go viral. The more importantly is the message you put out in your video. So this may look silly, but this is how I make my TikTok. Okay, you can see how easy it is. Let me change. Let me tune my lighting angle. Lighting is very important. I'm gonna start countdown for 3 seconds. Okay, the footage is done. So you can see it's very easy. And I'm gonna adjust the clip, okay, and see how long this video it is. Now this video is 15 seconds, okay. I suggest don't go with the full 15 seconds because I try to increase the chances that for my viewer to watch this video multiple times. Okay, that will increase my watch time and also boost up my traffic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut down the duration. I'm gonna try to make it like 8, 9, or even 10 seconds. Okay, for this one, let's do 8.8 seconds. Okay, I like it. So save, and I'm gonna play with filters. Okay, I like dim. For some reason, I like the bluish color. Okay, so this is done. Then I'm gonna add in the text. Okay, so you just simply add in all the text that you already wrote down before. And when you put the text on your TikTok video, make sure don't put it too high or too low. Okay, because they will get blocked. Okay, don't put it too high like this. Put it maybe somewhere here. Okay, I always like to put it lower than this filter icon. Okay, you see on the right hand side, there's filter icon. So make sure your title should not go above that position. Then I'm gonna put in all the rest of text in my video. Okay, while I'm typing, You guys can drop your comments, any questions in the comment section. I will reply later when I get a chance. Another way to do it even quicker, I mean, sometimes I will email all this text, okay, to myself, so I can just copy and paste, okay, copy from the email content and just paste it in my TikTok. That will make the process even faster. And always create new text, okay, new paragraph as the new set of text block, so you can move around this text freely, okay. Don't put everything in just one text block. Me personally, I do find that if I just keep publishing like making money online tips or making money online content, sometimes my traffic doesn't perform that well. But I do find that this kind of good vibe, universal meditation, motivational messages or TikTok content, they do work very well for me. And also I get a lot of sign up and email leads from this kind of video. Now, the last part is going to be called action. Your first step to cross that, okay. Link in profile. Try to move it, move the text away. Okay, I don't like the text blocking my eyes. Okay, subconsciously, if you don't show your eyes, that give people an impression that you are hiding something from them. So I always want to give people my eye contact. Okay, and double check, make sure there is no typo. So let me release this. I will say tab plus learn more. Then I'm gonna add in some hashtags, okay? I mean, you can go with any hashtags, okay? Any hashtags you like. I think like 4, 5, 6 hashtags should be good enough. Then just post it. That's it. I mean, that's how easy to make one TikTok, okay? So find good content that you want to model, and I mean, you can make a lot of TikTok if you're just using this simple trick, okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching today's training video. If you have any questions about today's training, please drop your questions in the comment section down below. I will reply your messages personally. If you like today's content, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you are thinking about to start your affiliate marketing business, I also drop the link in the video description, which is going to take you to this 3-day business breakthrough challenge, which is going to walk you through step by step how to set up your affiliate marketing business correctly. If you are interested in working with me one-on-one, you can also contact me through my Facebook link. So just shoot me a quick message, then we're gonna talk about how to build your business together, okay? So thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in my next videos. Take care.